Hello everyone, and welcome back to another stream. I'm just signing into an account. How's everybody doing today? I'm here again with Noelani. She's the background trader.
Hello everyone.
Hello. Oh my god, why is my copy trader not working? Oh, there you go. I passed the funded account yesterday, and I guess every time I pass the funded account, the copy trader wants to stop working. I have to reset it. Wait,
Is that how much you're risking on each?
yeah, well, 2 micros on each, so 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. So I'm getting with 15 micros. Pretty much all my funded accounts are 200, well, all my challenges are $250 away from being funded. So I'm close to having all 8 accounts, like all funded. Now I'm like reducing my risk on each challenge account so that I don't just pass all 3 at once, but I can't reduce it any more than I already did. So I'm starting to get to the point where I'll probably be passing all of them at the same time. Anyways, let's see what we got here today on the chart. Yesterday was like a huge down day for a lot of things. A lot of people were freaking out, talking about how markets made a top, which I don't necessarily think like that's what's gonna happen. But there's SMT divergence with the Dow and Nasdaq. Nasdaq seems to be leading, so that's good. But yeah, I don't know. Some people just like to overreact on all those things. Seem to have like a low placed in during London. Also, that's the SMT with the Dow. So the fact that we did not continue to push down towards that low is kind of telling me that we've already kind of manipulated. Bias would be long. I hope Theo, hello, how you doing? I hope that you went long this morning. Did you or did you not? You have buy side liquidity up here, so I'd be targeting. Oh, I don't know. If I'm only gonna look for longs today, so I'm only gonna take entries that are long, and I would need to see a short-term low get taken out in order to go and follow through. We'll see if that occurs. If that doesn't occur, then and it reaches buy side liquidity, I'll probably hop off. I don't think I'm gonna stay in. Well, maybe, but I don't know. I don't think I want to stay and see if it's gonna pull back within today's range, unless it looks really excited and it does it pretty quickly. Then yeah, maybe, but it's still pretty early in the day. I went long on Dow at 9. Also, sometimes you do it at 9, sometimes you do it at 9:25. What makes you pick the time? Like, what time do you pick each time? Oh, you just wait for 2022 model on the 30-minute chart. Damn, Bitcoin went almost to 80K.
Dang.
Let's see, 30-minute chart. One hour market shift. Huh, interesting. What you looking at?
Poly market. I just wanted to see what's on here.
Okay, see to win. That's an easy bet.
How do you look at the new stuff that just came out?
I don't know. I'm up 80%.
I'm down
Dang.
100%.
What?
Yeah.
Look, this inverse really quickly. We could enter short, but again, it's not with the bias that I outlined. So I don't think it's gonna work. I mean, it could work, but I think it would be a better trade. If it does work, it will probably just give us an opportunity to long. I think gold is in a good pullback area to buy. Dang. If we have news at 8:30, I'll place a trade as early as 9. Okay. Ay ay ay.
What happened?
Our silver mining stocks
It dumped.
gave up all its gains. Yeah, it's in the pullback. MDA isn't though.
We're not gonna panic sell.
No. That's crazy.
What?
It's just crazy how volatile markets are.
Oh, 1 minute got taken out.
What do you mean?
1 minute short-term low. You only look at the 5 minute though, huh?
What 1 minute short term low?
Mm-hmm.
Not yet.
It has to take out the wicks too.
Yeah. Well, if we're... No, this is on a 5 minute chart. This was a short trade that I didn't take because it's not with the bias. I mean, it's not really like... There was an opportunity here to go short after we took out the high, then again here, and now here. So it's like 3 opportunities to go short, and the third one we finally go short. But the gap is... Stop is tight. It's against the bias I have, so I didn't want to take it.
The bottom wicks are pretty long.
Mm-hmm.
There might be a long.
Per chance, but maybe not. I was expecting it. Well, I wasn't expecting it to happen, but I did short it. So I only shorted on my fund accounts, not my live, but I took this trade. And basically, I saw a short-term low, and then I saw fair value gap be created, and I wasn't expecting at that point to continue. I wanted to continue running out lows because it had moved away from these old lows so quickly. And then it was in near proximity to this low. So when I saw it inverse immediately, I went short, kind of reverse engineering my model, past the fund account. I took it on the trade copier though, and it copied to all my other fund accounts. But I wasn't, I didn't take it on my live because it's, yeah. Don't tell Apex this, but I didn't know my trade copier was on.
Apex is gonna come for you. They're gonna get you.
No. They might be watching right now. Who knows? Theo Gallagher might be somebody at Apex Trader Funding who's evaluating my trading and be like, is this guy professional? Looks like this would have lost.
Yeah, told you.
He said per chance, per maybe. What the heck?
He's undercover.
Undercover Apex agent.
This trade looks promising.
Yeah.
A minute.
No, you're not.
You thought I was, huh?
Yeah.
This was actually a part of my old model. I would have been in this trade.
Why don't you... Oh, yeah, no. You don't trade that model anymore because you found a better one.
Yeah.
Oh. What day was the win? It was Tuesday. Wednesday there was nothing. I don't remember trading Wednesday. We didn't trade Wednesday.
We missed 2 days.
No, we were at school Wednesday. And oh yeah,
there was no trade on those days.
Yeah. No, remember why? We traded Wednesday. Yeah.
Was that when you won?
No, that was Tuesday. Here, but you don't remember trading Wednesday? We're at university.
No, we didn't trade.
Yeah, but we were at university. No, we had the intention of trading. No.
Yeah, we did have the intention of trading, but we didn't take a trade.
You remember why?
Because there's no trade.
No, there were. The model had shown up.
Where?
I don't know how I got along here. What the fuck?
I know. It didn't inverse immediately.
I remember this. Didn't you take a trade?
No. I didn't take a trade at Carlton.
I don't know how I put this in.
You took a trade at Carlton?
No.
Yeah, I don't think we traded. We were looking at charts.
Yeah, but what the fuck is this thing?
But we were just back testing.
Why is there a long here?
You were showing me that this could have been.
This was against liquidity because we had already taken sell side. Oh yeah, I was experimenting the reverse engineer thing. But we had already like manipulated higher, so I wasn't looking to go higher anyway.
Yeah.
And there was no short that presented itself. We also had just taken liquidity. Yeah, this was a day where I didn't want to do anything. I remember because we were within Asia's range, and it wasn't clear which side of the market we wanted to take next. There was no draw on liquidity. Also, FOMC was in the afternoon. So I remember I said I probably think it will go lower and go back to a discount. Then it will go higher, but it will probably only do so during the afternoon FOMC. That's what it did. Yeah, I remember. But if we had followed our rules, we would have lost near the end of the day, the afternoon. I'm just inputting what would have happened if we would have followed our rules on my trading log. This is basically what I'm doing. I'm putting in all the what should happen if we followed all of our rules, but obviously the green, I made profit that day even though there was no trade. I made profit Tuesday. Then Wednesday there was one trade I should have lost, but yellow means I didn't trade. Tuesday was a green day. That's basically what I'm doing. Just so that because I have two new rules. These rules that I'm only going to are discretionary, right? So these are going to be the only discretionary rules that are not going to be reflected in this. We put in a 5-minute short-term low. I wouldn't mind if we come down and take this out, and we can go long.
I thought you want to go long now?
No, not right now. It inversed this gap. We could maybe go long now if it inverses this gap. But I'd rather wait to see if a 5-minute short-term low get taken out instead of reverse engineering the trade.
Yeah.
Because it's just a bit messy right now. It's not really clean. So even if I think the bias is higher, it could just always retrace deeper. And I want to have a tight stop and reverse engineer the trade.
I have to use the restroom.
Okay.
I'm not gonna get into a trade while I'm gone. Wow. Hello, everyone. I'm back.
Took out a 5-minute short-term low. Okay, we just need this and gap to be inverse, and hopefully we'll do it pretty quickly. So I'm gonna draw out a position, kind of get things ready. Honestly, I don't know. The gap is not going to be big enough for me to be comfortable though. I don't think we're gonna. My trade's gonna be there unless it creates a new inverse fair value gap, but. man.
What?
I'm kidding. See, we'd be already cooked if we'd taken this. Because you see how tight the stop is. Even Siri knows that we'd be cooked. Right, Siri? Would we be cooked?
No response.
No
Chat
response.
is better. At least chat responds to us, Siri.
Hey, Siri. Fuck you.
Uh-huh.
Why did it respond to that?
Hey, Siri. Chat GPT's better.
Thanks. I'm here to make things as smooth and helpful as possible for you. That was from ChatGPT. Check important info for
Stupid.
mistakes.
Siri imports stuff from ChatGPT.
Interesting.
Dang. We would have gotten cooked.
We would have gotten cooked 3
We
times.
would have literally gotten air fried.
Today's Friday. PPI.
When? 8:30?
Yeah.
Already
No,
passed.
it already came out.
Yeah, 8:30.
Yeah. It's Friday already?
Yeah, this Friday.
I feel like this week went by so fast.
No, it's okay. It will go by so fast until we're living in Mauritius.
Yeah, that's true. Fact, speed.
I wonder what the Nikkei did last night. If my brother would have eaten. Keep telling him to trade. He doesn't want to trade. He keeps playing Fortnite in the evening. Like, bruh. He needs money right now. He has lawyer fees to pay.
He has lawyer fees to pay. It's crazy work.
Yeah, 'cause he's stupid. Bro, this guy would have eaten yesterday. What the fuck? Instead of playing Fortnite.
How much trades would he have
Oh,
gotten?
3.2 hour there. If you did it properly. No trade there. Nothing here.
Crazy.
Oh, there would have been a loss here. I honestly don't think he has what it takes to trade anyway.
What? Really?
Yeah, he'd probably lose.
You could tell by a person,
I
a
mean,
person's personality.
just opening his credit card. He's been wanting to do it as soon as he turns 18. He was like, I want to open a credit card. And then, like, okay, we'll go tomorrow. And he's like, Yeah, sure. And then tomorrow he's fucking sleeping and he doesn't want to get up. He doesn't want to go for work. Even on his off days, he doesn't want to drive just to open a credit card. It's like, bro, you're always sleeping or playing video games. Look, measure 50% of this fair value gap and draw it out. Do you think that's random right there? Maybe you think that's random?
What?
How we came down and basically like picked that 50% level?
Yeah, it's random.
ICT would not say it's random. ICT would say that's the algorithm in play.
Yeah, I wonder if he's live.
He was yesterday.
I finally have the rage spell.
Nice. You're playing Clash Royale?
No, I'm not playing. I'm just upgrading everything while I'm waiting.
You're an addict.
I'm not an addict.
There you are.
Yes. Okay.
He gets carried away. I think he sometimes gets carried away. He was really confident that Bitcoin was going to zero 2 years ago. Yeah, but also, I think he just says that to garner attention. Like, I mean, it's ICT, you know. He's smart. Like, I think when he goes out and says stuff like Bitcoin's going to zero, he probably like gets the attention of so many people that have an opinion, and I mean that just makes his content blow up more. So I don't know what his real opinions are on Bitcoin, but I wouldn't be confident saying that that is his real opinion. You know, it could be he's just doing it to promote his channel. I don't know though. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong and what I'm saying is far fetched, but he is also old, so it is very possible that he just doesn't understand what Bitcoin is and he's just stupid. You know. But what really kind of sucked was when I believe he in his last like his 2023 mentorship, his last Twitter space in 2023, man literally started crying. He was like, I ain't coming back in 2024. He started crying. It was like November 14th or whatever. And he started crying on Twitter space saying, I'll miss all of you. I've had so much, like, it meant so much to me being able to teach every one of you. It was emotional, man. I was like, dang. You know, like old man retiring. And it was because his wife didn't want him to do it, right? And he wanted to spend more time with his family and getting to know his kids more. Because he had different kids and different families. Anyways. And then he's like, he also talked about how he had bipolarism. He was in a different Twitter space that year. He's like, I'm bipolar, blah, blah, blah. I have to fight every day to keep it out of the charts. Anyways, 2024, this guy starts streaming again, bro. He makes another mentorship. Still free. He's not charging anything, so it's good. But then he laughs about how he had bipolarism. He started laughing. he starts like, some of you actually believed me, and he's like laughing like his ass off. Like, what the fuck, bro? Why would you joke about that? Like, why would you joke about having a mental illness? And then I'm sure, cause me, like, at the time, when you're a trader and you're dealing with emotions, like, I'm sure a lot of people probably got suspected that maybe they were bipolar because of this guy. And to those people who might maybe bipolar or are actually bipolar and that were watching him, I'm sure they felt very insulted. Imagine you're bipolar and you're watching this guy and he's making fun of being bipolar and he's like, "You guys, you idiots! You thought I was bipolar? I just made that shit up." Like, what the fuck? He says he quits every year, he never does. Damn. I don't know. I haven't been watching him, but that's crazy how he still says he's quitting. Bro, I was in every Twitter space. I guess we were in there together. Yeah, I've been re-listening to the Twitter space because he says a lot of good stuff, in the Twitter spaces. But there's a lot of questionable things. He gets too carried away with just to garner attention and get more people to watch him. But he admitted that, like, the whole reason he said he's bipolar is literally just to get more views, like, just to get more people to watch him, because it was gonna attract more people to his channel. And, like, yeah, it's kind of fucked up, but it works. It's a good marketing strategy. I'll give it to him. This market isn't doo-doo. I don't know if I even want to still be trading. I mean, maybe there might be like a deeper pullback and then we could get another trade that will, like, deliver a lot higher. But right now, it's just in a consolidation and it's not looking good.
send it to me and then I'll order it from mine.
Why?
So I don't have to send you money.
Why don't I just order my card?
Then I'll just send you money.
Yeah.
Okay. Which one do I choose? The one I'm getting though is only gonna be like 120 the ring.
Yeah, but I wish these were silver. It's all tungsten.
Look up silver.
I did. I want this one.
Okay.
I just need to know what ring size. Alright, I'm gonna hop off. I'll see you guys next week. Alright, see you, Theo. I hope you have a good day and a good weekend, and I'll see you next week when say bye to Theo.
Bye, Theo.
He's addicted to our game. Probably hop off too, because I don't know if the trade's gonna be there. If it is there, I'll take it, but I'll be doing other things anyway, so I don't know. Probably better if I just close the stream.
Hey, you're addicted to your game.
No.
Yes.
Untrue. Prove it. She said she sounds like Deadpool saying bye, Yukio.
I love that pool. Bye, Yu-Gi-Oh. No. Boo boo.
What?
What? What?
What is that?
I'm winning. That's what.
Oh.
was so close. I got too cocky. This is some shit PA.
Yeah. So he took out a 5-minute short-term low though. That damn is dumping.
Stumping hard.
Mm-hmm. Might get an inverse here. What the fuck? Baby,
Yeah.
how are we supposed to inverse this?
Holy snap. Yeah, there's no way we're taking this straight.
Right? Or are we?
That's gambling.
Not, well, I mean, it's not gambling. It's just, I don't know. Maybe if it pulls back enough, we could take it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
If it comes back to entry, I'll take it.
Where would be entry?
Right here.
How?
2569. Take it now. Take it now.
Where would that be entry? Why would that?
Are you in?
No. Why would that be the entry?
Because it's right above the fair value gap.
The inverse fair value gap. Right?
Are you in?
No. You can get in. Get in.
No. I don't want to FOMO a trade. If it goes back to the fair value gap, I'll get in.
Pussy.
Are you in?
No.
Pussy. You tell me to get in and you're not even in it.
Stop it. You're the only one to get in.
It's the model, but it's like...
What's wrong?
It already ran up a lot.
So you might just miss out then.
It's fine. I'm not a FOMO trader.
Oh.
That would have been a 4 RR if we got in right there.
No, only been through 2.93.
What?
Oh, if you go for the external high, then yeah. I would have went for the next short 1 minute short term high right there. This high.
Oh, this high.
Yeah.
God damn.
It's okay though, it wasn't part of the rules.
Yeah.
Well, it's not that it wasn't part of the rules, it's just like it's like unnecessary risk.
Yeah.
Or bad risk management.
Yeah.
But you know, at least we were right on the draw on liquidity. We were waiting for the right thing. We avoided a loss. Those are all good things.
Yeah. That's facts. That's you.
Dang. If it had went into this fair value gap a bit more, where the stop would have been underneath, that would have taken that. And I would have probably targeted external high. Anyways, that's it for today. I guess nothing else to really keep streaming for. I don't think it's gonna do anything else. I'm not expecting any shorts. So, yeah, thank you very much for watching, everyone. And